Welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're unraveling the mystical powers of the colon in written expression. Ever wondered about its various roles beyond just separating thoughts? Stick around as we explore 10 fascinating ways to wield this punctuation powerhouse and level up your writing game. Now let us see some classic instances where we use colon. The first usage is when we are introducing a list. Pack these essentials for the trip: sunscreen, a hat, and a good book. The ingredients for the cake are flour, sugar, eggs, and vanilla extract. The second usage is when we are introducing an explanation or a clarification. Like, the reason behind her absence was simple: she fell ill. Or, there's only one explanation for this mess: the dog got into the garbage again. The third usage is when we are introducing a quotation or dialogue. Example 1. She shouted from the top of her lungs, "I won the lottery." Example 2. His words echoed through the room, "We need to act fast." We also use on 4-time separation. The meeting is scheduled for 9:30 a.m. The train departs at 6:15 p.m. We also use them for distinguishing between a title and subtitle. The book title reads, "The Lost Symbol: Uncovering Ancient Mysteries." His presentation was titled, "Innovation and Technology: Embracing the Future." We use colons for formal salutations in business letters or emails. "Dear Ms. Johnson, to whom it may concern." We use colon religiously between chapter and verse in biblical references. Genesis 1:1, Matthew 5:16. We use colon in math between ratios. The ratio of blue marbles to red marbles is 5:3. The recipe calls for a ratio of 2:1 sugar to flour. Colon is used in research between title and page number and citations. Smith, 27. Johnson, 102. It is also used in between the title and the subsequent content in a document or paper. Abstract. A summary of the research findings follows. Introduction. Setting the context for the discussion. Voila. The colon, a versatile punctuation maestro that orchestrates clarity and structure in our sentences. If you found these examples illuminating, give that like button a gentle tap. Share this video with fellow grammar enthusiasts. And don't forget to subscribe for more grammar wisdom. Until next time, keep wielding those colons with finesse in your writing endeavors.